So right, welcome back to another live forex trading session. And yep, if you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And remember, if you are going to take any of my trading opportunities, remember, trade with disposable income. I am not your financial advisor. If you need financial advice, go seek a financial advisor. So straight away, we're gonna get straight into it. Funny enough, yesterday I did recorded it, and I thought I literally pressed go live and it didn't even record. I didn't even go live. It didn't even record it. So I was quite upset. So that's the reason why I didn't have a live trading session yesterday. Yeah, that's my fault. But yeah, this time I've double checked and we are actually live. So starting off with gold, I am not seeing any trade opportunities on gold. Like I said, Wednesday we caught this move, literally held it for 100 pips, and yeah, and look, gold has kept on shooting up. But since then, it has been playing above its all-time high area. We had it marked out here. You can see this was the previous all-time high. Once price broke out of this on Friday, it has not even come back and retest this level. So like I said before, I do expect gold to get to that 3,000 level, but we just don't know when. That could be the end of the year. I don't think it's going to go there now because this could just have a major pullback coming even down to these levels here. We can see a pullback coming down to the 2722 area on gold, or it might just decide to keep shooting up towards that 3,000 area. But at the moment, I am expecting a pullback on gold. Interestingly, there was a few buy setup happening on gold, but like I said, I just feel like gold is ready to go for a pullback. So this is why I've been very hesitant on looking to put any buy trades on gold. As you can see before, this was blatantly a buy setup. Price shot up. You can see it shot up, but it failed to have any more. Buyers failed to take control. You can see sellers look like it's taking back control of this market. So yeah, this area here I probably would have bought from 20, 40, 60, 80. See, would have just missed out on that 100 pip move, didn't catch it. But that's it for gold right now. And like I said, I honestly don't even want to sell on gold, if I'll be honest with you, because when I look back at my trading log, a lot of the time I sell gold. A lot of my losing trades on gold were sell positions. So, like I said, I'm happy to wait for gold to make its way, have a nice pullback, and then I'll look to get in from then. But yeah, I'm more than happy to let gold have a pullback and then getting at a better position for a swing trade to hold that. But if you, let's say, so let's look at possibilities to sell. So even now, like the way that 1 hour candlestick closed is a great opportunity to sell because obviously it's a shooting star. But for me, I feel like with NFP out tomorrow, yeah, I probably wouldn't want to trade gold right now. I'll just wait for after NFP. But like I said, look, you've got to break off that trend line, closure above the shooting star level. And then, yeah, so if this closed like that, you probably would look to short gold. But the only problem with shorting this are like around 40 pips. That's not bad. You can try hold it for around 100 pips. That is a trading opportunity there. Perfect. I'm not even gonna get into that trade, but I'm just gonna leave it there to show you, see if it plays out. Because like I said, I'm not. We've already hit our target for gold this week. I don't even need to trade. So yeah, I've hit a nice target on my futures account and on my main account as well. So there's no reason. But look, I feel like this is gonna drop. But cool. Let's go into German 40. So German 40, I took a buy trade. I'm actually quite upset with this trade actually because I initially got in from down here, and I came out like once we had that push, I felt like price didn't wanna. My main initial target was up here, and I felt like price wasn't gonna hit it anytime soon. And as soon as I came out, yeah, Wednesday, look, it just shot right up, and that's trading, man. If you don't have the patience, this is what happens when you don't have the patience and belief in your trade setup. So yeah, this was the perfect opportunity literally I got in here, but see price shot up. So initially I got in again. This morning I got in, yeah. So from this little pullback, I saw price was coming back up. So actually it wasn't even from that, but it was from this area here on price. This candlestick here is what I got in on. And yeah, and ever since, and I took another position on German 40 as well. But I'll be honest with you, if this trade closes below here, then we're gonna lose on this second trade, and obviously the first trade take us in a little bit of profit, but it's not going to be no major profits. But what I'm hoping for German 40 is to break this all-time high area, which I'm hoping for it to do. But at the moment, it looked like it don't want to. Struggling to, the sellers are still there, taking a bit of control of the market. But what you could see happen now is price that should come back down. What you can see for German 40, another scenario for German 40, hope I'm not losing you the way that I'm speaking pretty fast. Price can actually come back down and retest this swap zone here. Like I said, if German 40 closed below that 5-minute support level, then yeah, we're coming out of this trade. I'm just going to close it and leave it. Stay away from German 40, and that'll probably be it for German 40 this week. But like I said, if you looked at my previous videos, I did talk about German 40, and this was Monday. This was the better. Should have bought from here. Should have. Bit hesitant. You can see, because I've been. Let's be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't traded German 40 as much, or been watching it as much recently. So that's what the hesitance was about. And like I said, I was in gold as well. And what I noticed with German 40 and gold, if gold's shooting up, sometimes German 40 is shooting down. And I hate it when trades correlate like that. Yeah. So this looked like it wants to come down. Even the gold, yeah, gold, oh, look at that, see? That was a perfect, I told you it was a perfect sell trade on gold. It is a sell trade setup. Yeah, that's probably going to shoot down. That probably will hit its 100 pip mark. Imagine that. And this trade was live that I done, showed. This area here worries me though. The swap zones had this previous 5 minutes support level. Let's see what happened. German 40. This is not looking. German 40 is not looking good at all. Initially, if price can close above this level here, then I'm expecting it to hit our target, our TP. But if it don't, then yeah, forget about it. Like I said, if it closed below here, I'm coming out of that trade. Right, let's move on to US 30. Alright, so initially, see, this is the thing about US 30. Let's look at it on the daily. Let me just double check to make sure we're live. All that talking, I'll be hating not to be live again. Alright, cool, we're live, wicked. Alright, okay. So US 30 is a bit tricky. Like I said, I wanted US 30 to break our 4-hour resistance level. Price didn't break it. It's finding some resistance around it. Failed to break it. Let's go on a 1 4-hour time frame. See, failed to break that 4-hour resistance level. Let's go on a 1 hour. Yeah. Ideally, cool. For buy positions, we would want price to come back down here. If we're going to be aggressively buy, or you can wait for price to even break this level here. I would say I'll just look out for that. So it's kind of 5 minutes. Yeah, I wouldn't rush it though, honestly. Yeah, US 30 is a bit tricky. Initially, this was the buy opportunity here where I said if price did break that resistance level, then could go in for buy. And it did, broke it yesterday at 5 o'clock. But I wasn't even looking at US 30. But that would have been a good move, good trade to take. So with US 30, I'm not seeing anything right now. Honestly, that's honest truth to be told. I'm not seeing any great opportunity on US 30. So we look back at, and plus it's NFP tomorrow as well. So we'll look back at that probably Monday. Yeah, but I don't see anything that I like on US 30. GJ, I gave you 4 scenarios, right? And it done none of them. That's what I said to you. The beauty of trading is um, you don't know if you're right. No one's never right. The market does what it wants to do. Unless if you're some fortune teller or you can see the future, then yeah, cool. But like I said, look, it did none of the 4 scenario. And I predicted it to do everything but break that daily support level. I don't know why I didn't. That's because of this candlestick here. Why I didn't think price. Yeah, Monday I couldn't see price coming back down. But scariest thing about it though, it is closed back above it. So right, yeah, sorry about that. So um yeah, Vivian. So initially, if I was actually watching this properly, trying to trade this, we'd all waited for that break below that daily bullish candlestick, which we did get. See, that would have been a false breakout. So first, so this all happened this morning. See, the initial break would have been that one. Price closed back below. That would have been a false breakout. Um, so it would probably you see what the market's doing. So a lot of people would call. Let me just show you an example here. So this one you got to identify when you've been in a false breakout. So a lot of people had it stop loss just above here because we had the break of that level. So you got the break. Also, some people have been hesitant of this as well. So you have the break. If you're aggressive, you would have took that. Price came back up, hit your stop loss. Annoying thing this is that if you're watching this trade, then you see the shooting star, and you probably would know that you know what, let's go back in at a better position. Um, you go short, and that would be a better stop loss if I'll be honest with you. Not looking much here. This would be like what? Yeah, see, like a 20 pip stop loss. And then yeah, you try to hold this for around 100 pips, which it did hit in the end as well. So that's just a trade setup that I was doing to you. This is like it's going for 200 pips. Might even go for two. But yeah, that's just GJ one trading scenario that would have happened this morning that we could have done. And then yeah, yes, for German 40 is moving silly. See, this is what I'm talking about with gold. Just this level here, I was told you I was a bit cautious about. This is why I didn't even want to hit sell on gold, man. Like it just don't move the way how it when you buy it, it moves nice, but when you sell, it moves so choppy. That's what I've noticed with gold. Majority of the time, even though it's broken the trend line, it's done everything, broken support level. But buyers, like I said, gold is literally a buying market all the time, bro. Like there's no reason to sell. I'll be honest with you. Like even in a 4 hour time frame, it gives you no reason to sell. Unless if it gets into a market structure like this, then you're like, all right, cool, you can sell. But when you look at it, gold gives you no reason to sell. German 40 is just moving nuts. Oh Lord. So I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna have to watch this trade. We're gonna come out of this trade. So it's gonna be like a losing position kind of thing. So like I said, if price closes below, then yeah, we're gonna have to sorry, let's get my charger in. If price closes below, then we're gonna have to close that trade. It is what it is. Let's try getting a better position next week. I'm actually upset though, because I feel like because I missed this move, it's like I'm trying to revenge trade on German 40 and catch that trade again, but it's done. I think it's actually done. All right, cool. So yeah, there's nothing much. Like I said, everyone's probably joined me to see how I trade gold, but oh, look at that. Was there news today? Look at that. Yeah, gold is moving nuts this morning. Like, it's so hard to trade. It's not like I think because it's NFP tomorrow as well. It's not going to go any real direction. Oh Lord, if that closed exactly like that with that long wick, then it's probably never a good opportunity to sell as well. But look, stop loss would have just been a bit perfect. Remember, I'm not in this trade. It's just joining me. I've just showing you a scenario. I didn't say I'm gonna take this trade, but this is the whole reason why I don't even like selling. It's annoying. I feel like yeah, when I sell gold, it just moves annoying. It annoys me. It just don't move how I want it to when I buy. And that's for a reason for this is because when you look at gold on the bigger time frame, it's always trending up. It's always trending up. Yeah, it's always in an uptrend. You see? Since the beginning of the year. I don't know if we're gonna get that pullback though. Interestingly though, if this 4 hour candlestick closes a shooting star, probably gonna get some nice moves back down towards the did I say 277 area? Be interesting if it does come back down. I can't see it coming back all the way down to this 277 area. It might do. Let me have a look at something. I've had the same similar story before. Remember, history repeats itself. What we could do, could get a move like that. That'd be very interesting on gold. That'd be very interesting. It's Greystone Doji. Cool. Alright, cool. We've got to close out on German 40. Yeah, I had enough, man. This just moves. It irritates me the way it moves sometimes, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to close out on German 40. It's not respect. If it closes below here, we're closing out. Honestly, I've just had enough. All the signs I hear that he wants to come. Yeah, this is not showing no signs that he wants to really come back up here. I really got away with it once from having a big loss, but I feel like I'll put that stop loss there. I gotta watch it. Really and truly, my stop loss is gonna be like here. Not stop loss. I mean, I'm gonna close out around. Yeah, if price wants to break that level, then we're gonna come out. I did feel like he wanted it will come back and retest this level, play about with it. It look like it is doing it now. At this level here, I think price will play about, but Only problem with this German 40 is that it's made a new higher high, lower high, and then look what happens here. Fail to make a higher high, makes a lower high, and then yeah, it's a bit awkward now. It's a bit awkward. Cool. So we're gonna leave it, let you watch that and see how it plays out.